Which are the FTSE 100 stocks most rated by analysts and which have potential upside according to those analysts of 56% to the upside, 48% to the upside, 33% and so on? Well, let's look at the data, shall we? This is it. You can see the stocks there and you can see the numbers. Let me analyze each of those for you though. And don't forget to like, follow, subscribe and do the usual. That's JD Sports. The monthly momentum is certainly going to the upside. The stock has already started trending higher and indeed it is undervalued. And you can see the positive elements there. So I'm going to say, yeah, I think that can hit those upside targets. Prudential, similar kind of story. And you can see the angles there. 30.9% undervalued. Yes, looks good. Smurfit Kappa, similar kind of story. The momentum is picking up and so is the stock and it's undervalued. Earnings grew 64% over the past year, trading still at under fair value based on a discount cash flow. So some positives there. Entain, similar kind of story, trading at 28% below fair value. Earnings forecast to grow 46%. Earnings have grown 46% per year over the past 5 years as well. You might say, well, surely those earnings are then factored into the price. You're absolutely right. But should it exceed those, the price should go even higher. Glencore has maintained this upward trend, even though now it's looking somewhat toppy on this. And that worries me somewhat, especially because it's a little bit overvalued and earnings are forecast to decline. So I might stay clear of that one, I think. Informa has only really gone sideways for a while, as has the trend. It is undervalued, however, and maybe this is the year it catches up. Okay, what about Shell? Ooh, looks like it might fall off a bit of a cliff, and it's done it before. So that worries me, and it's a little bit overvalued. So I'm going to stay clear of that. Centrica, it's not moved rapidly higher, but it's been trudging along and managed to double along those sort of trudges, as it were, and it's undervalued. So this one, yes, gets a green light from me. Momentum moving higher, so's the price with 3i, the big private equity group, and significantly undervalued. Earnings been growing, forecast to grow as well. Good value and good agreement amongst the analysts of what will happen. So all very positive news. Let's look at another one. Endeavour Mining. See the direction. Undervalued. I'm going to give this one a pass as well. It passes, flying colours. Earnings forecast to grow. Analysts in good agreement that the stock will rise as well. None were on my approved filtered list, which is a lot more stringent than what you've seen there. But nevertheless, you can see that they do look attractive. Do have a look at my campaign for $1million.com, which is my campaign to teach 1 million people how to be better at investing and improve their financial education. So, like I said, do please have a look at that and like, follow, subscribe, all the usual as well. I'll see you soon with more insights on the markets. Thank you.